In this video, I will show you how to duplicate a product on JetPrint. First, log into your JetPrint account. Once you're in, head over to the left side of the screen and click on My Products. From here, pick the product you want to duplicate. Just click the box beside it to select it. Now look at the upper right corner of the page and click on Copy. Next, choose General Store and then click Confirm. And just like that, your product has been duplicated. This feature is super helpful if you want to create multiple versions of the same design or quickly add similar products without starting from scratch. You can repeat the same steps for as many products as you like to save time and keep your store organized. And that's how to duplicate a product on JetPrint.